Which of the following is most likely the reason why your equipment is leaking coolant and overheating? A. Incorrectly fitted cylinder head. B. Broken thermostat. C. Leaking water pump. D. None of the above. Which style of valve should you use if you need a liquid to flow only one way? A. Check valve. B. Gate valve. C. Needle valve. D. None of the above. What does TIG welding stand for when the acronym is used? A. Tungsten inert gas. B. Teflon inert gas. C. Titanium inert gas. D. None of the above. What is the Walmart maintenance tech test? A. A test that assesses practical and theoretical knowledge for any maintenance positions. B. A test that assesses practical and theoretical knowledge for Walmart maintenance positions. C. A test that only assesses practical knowledge. D. A multiple-choice test that does not require a calculator and takes about an hour to complete. What does mean within a circuit? A. Emergency light. B. Battery. C. Bulb. D. None of the above. A 15-amp fuse can safely withstand how much voltage? A. 240 volts. B. 220 volts. C. 230 volts. D. None of the above. How many ways are there to prepare for the Walmart maintenance test? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. What are flexible couplings used for? A. Allow shaft misalignment. B. Installation at various machinery parts. C. Amplify torque. D. Reduce load from the motor. The most frequent source of coolant leakage into engine cylinders is defective. A. Water pump. B. Shaft seal. C. Manifold gasket. D. Cylinder head gasket. When a precise, low flow is required, which style of valve should be used? A. Gate. B. Check. C. Needle. D. Check and needle. Intermittent welding has the following benefits. Please select two correct answers. A. Easier to repair in case of failure. B. Stronger. C. more economical. D. None of the above. If a credit card order is placed and then canceled, what happened with the money? A. The customer will be refunded. B. The authorization hold will be removed within 5 business days. C. The customer must go to the store to obtain the cash. D. Instead, the customer will receive a gift card. Customers who desire a refund must always return the item to Walmart. A. False. B. True. For personal use items, you should provide the manufacturer's phone number. A. True. B. False. What should you offer first in exchange for a return? A. Replacement. B. Order cancellation. C. Refund. Diana stated that 1 lipstick out of 5 was missing from her parcel, which was delivered and signed for. A. Offer a replacement as item missing from package. B. Issue a refund for lost in transit. C. Recommend disputing the charges or contacting the carrier. D. Recommend going with the cops. Customers who desire a refund must always return the item to Walmart. A. False. B. True. What reason code should be used to handle a return for air fryer that didn't come with the cable? A. Change of mind. B. Missing parts. C. Lost after delivery. D. Item missing from box. The customer wishes to cancel an order, but the order has already been sent. What are your options? A. Inform the consumer about the return procedure. B. CCA should be contacted to request a cancellation. C. Contact the manufacturer. D. Please call us back. The cancellation option may become available later. Choose the tool that we use to report fraudulent charges. A. VCC. B. None of these options are correct. C. CCA. D. Right now. A finance hold happens when A. The credit card was approved. B. The item is no longer available. C. The order of the customer was canceled. D. The system identifies an order as possibly fraudulent and holds it for 48 hours. What is the name of the system where a refund should be processed? A. VCC. B. CCA. C. Interceptas. D. Right now. Which of the following problems does the customer resolution team need to be notified about? A. The customer threatens to contact the BBB. B. The customer is curious about the return policy for certain items. C. The customer is unable to place an order. D. After 5 business days, the authorization hold is not removed. How long does it take for a refund to be deposited back to a credit or debit card? A. 24 hours. B. 5 days. C. 30 days. D. 48 hours. Which of the following is not a valid payment method combination on Walmart.com? A. Debit card, credit card. B. 3 gift cards. C. 1 debit card, Walmart gift card. D. PayPal. Which of the following is not correct? A. During the checkout process, customers can specify their shipping address. B. We can make policy exceptions. C. The customer has the option of returning the goods to the store. D. If an item is delivered late, the customer will automatically receive a discount. Laura only has $33 in her purse, which is just 20% of the shoes she wants to buy. What is the price of the shoes? A. $89. B. $165. C. $195. D. $59. Henry's monthly spending totals $1,500. Utilities account for 40% of his spending. In addition, he pays 15% more on heating and electricity than he does on utilities. What additional expenses does Henry have besides heating, electricity, and utilities? A. $210. B. $320. C. $190. D. $220. The day after tomorrow comes 4 days before Monday. What day of the week is it today? A. Wednesday. B. Tuesday. C. Monday. D. Thursday. Jenny walks at a consistent speed of 5 miles per hour. Demi begins walking at the same time as Jenny, but 4 miles behind her and at a constant speed of 8 miles per hour. Jenny, how long will it take you to catch up to Demi? A. 120 minutes. B. 60 minutes. C. 80 minutes. D. 30 minutes. 5 college students rented a house together. Because one of them decided to leave sooner, the remaining tenant's rent would be $260 more. How much is the total rent if the rent is divided equally among the students? A. $5,200. B. $3,200. C. $6,200. D. $2,200. The total age of 4 family members is 85. In 5 years, compute the sum of their ages. A. 125. B. 60. C. 105. D. 85. Jessie works for 1/3 of her 24-hour day. Meetings consume 1/4 of her work week. How many hours does she spend in meetings? A. 2 hours. B. 2 hours and 30 minutes. C. 1 hour. D. 1 hour and 30 minutes. The total age of 4 family members is 85. In 5 years, compute the sum of their ages. A. 85. B. 60. C. 125. D. 105. How to prepare for a Walmart maintenance test. Taking a Walmart maintenance test is a great way to determine if you're ready to work in the maintenance department at your local Walmart store. While it may seem intimidating, there are several ways to prepare for the test. You can take a practice test, study for a test at your local Walmart store, or take an assessment test. Taking the Walmart DC maintenance technician test can be a little daunting. You have to make sure you are familiar with the various types of maintenance tests, and you need to know where to focus your prep efforts to get a better score. The Walmart DC maintenance technician test covers different aspects of the job, from ensuring functionality to ensuring safety. There are also opportunities for advancement. A maintenance technician can make up to $70,000 a year, depending on where he or she is working.